Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, the error you can see on the screen, no device drivers were found. Make sure that installation media contains the correct drivers. So basically you need to click on OK options here, and once you click on OK options you need to cancel the setup and click on yes. Now we need to click on this option, repair your computer. Then you need to click on troubleshoot and we need to open the command prompt from here. Now basically we need to look for here the drive letter where you want to install the Windows. So first command you need to type a disk part, press the enter key. Once you type the disk part, you need to type a disk space list space disk. Now I have only one disk here where I want to install the Windows. Now I need to select it, so I need to type here the command select disk and then 0. Make sure you select the correct disk here. If the USB one's showing here, you need to look for its size. Then press the enter key again. Now disk 0 is selected successfully. So once you have selected the disk here, we need to clean it. So you need to type for simple the command clean, and you need to press the enter key once you type the clean command. Now cleaning is successful. We need to type for the command format space fs is equal to ntfs space quick, and you will see here successfully created. So once you see successfully message, you need to exit out from here as well, turn off your PC, and then you need to retry to install the Windows. You should able to install the Windows after that, and simply you need to select unallocated space and click on next, and your issue will be fixed. So this is how guys you can fix the issue. So I hope your issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.